The battlefields of Ukraine have become a testing ground for a new era of warfare, one dominated by small agile drones. Among them, first-person view, or FPV, drones have emerged as a game-changer. Unlike their larger, military-grade counterparts, FPV drones offer a unique combination of speed, maneuverability, and affordability. These drones are piloted remotely, with the operator receiving real-time video footage from the drone's perspective, as if they were sitting in the cockpit. FPV drones have been popular among hobbyists for years, known for their use in drone racing and aerial photography. However, their adaptation for military purposes, particularly in the Ukraine conflict, has revealed their potent capabilities in modern warfare. Their small size makes them difficult to detect and track, while their agility allows them to navigate complex environments and evade enemy fire. The rise of FPV drones in Ukraine is a testament to the democratization of military technology. These drones are relatively inexpensive to produce and operate compared to traditional military hardware. This accessibility has allowed Ukraine to deploy them in large numbers, creating a significant tactical advantage against a larger, more conventionally equipped adversary. The impact of FPV drones extends beyond their technical specifications. They represent a shift in warfare towards asymmetric tactics, where smaller, more agile forces can challenge larger, less adaptable opponents. This has profound implications for the future of conflict, as nations and non-state actors alike recognize the disruptive potential of these small but mighty aerial platforms. The effectiveness of FPV drones in Ukraine can be attributed to their unique design and capabilities. These drones are essentially small, unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, equipped with a suite of technology that enables their remarkable performance. At the heart of an FPV drone lies the camera, which transmits live video footage to the operator's headset or screen. This first-person perspective is crucial for piloting the drone, allowing for precise maneuvering and target acquisition. The camera is typically paired with a video transmitter, which sends the signal to the operator's receiver. Powering the drone is a high-capacity battery, which determines the drone's flight time and range. FPV drones often utilize lithium polymer or LiPo batteries, known for their high energy density and ability to deliver large currents for powerful bursts of speed. The drone's flight controller acts as its brain, processing input from the operator and controlling the motors that spin the propellers. The flight controller is responsible for maintaining stability, executing maneuvers, and ensuring the drone responds accurately to the pilot's commands. Finally, the frame of the FPV drone is typically made from lightweight yet durable materials like carbon fiber or plastic. The frame is designed to be aerodynamic and robust, capable of withstanding high-speed impacts and crashes. These components work together seamlessly to create a highly responsive and agile platform. The combination of speed, maneuverability, and real-time situational awareness provided by the FPV system makes these drones a formidable asset on the battlefield. The conflict in Ukraine has witnessed a remarkable display of ingenuity and adaptation in the use of FPV drones. Faced with a technologically superior adversary, Ukrainian forces have leveraged their technical expertise and readily available resources to transform commercially available FPV drones into potent weapons. One of the key innovations has been the adaptation of FPV drones for offensive operations. While initially conceived for recreational purposes, Ukrainian engineers and soldiers have equipped these drones with explosive payloads, transforming them into precision strike weapons. These modified drones can deliver small explosives with pinpoint accuracy, targeting enemy personnel, vehicles, and infrastructure. Ukrainian drone operators have also developed innovative tactics to maximize the effectiveness of FPV drones in combat. They often operate in small teams, with one person piloting the drone and another acting as a spotter, identifying targets and guiding the drone towards them. This collaborative approach enhances situational awareness and improves the accuracy of strikes. Furthermore, Ukrainian forces have been quick to adapt their tactics based on battlefield experience. They have learned to exploit the strengths of FPV drones, such as their speed and agility, to conduct surprise attacks and quickly disengage before the enemy can react. The ingenuity displayed by Ukrainian forces in their use of FPV drones highlights the evolving nature of warfare. It underscores the importance of adaptability, innovation, and the ability to leverage readily available technology to gain an advantage on the battlefield. Section 4. Strategic deployment. How Ukraine employs FPV drones in combat. Ukraine's deployment of FPV drones has been characterized by a focus on asymmetric tactics, exploiting the drone's strengths to counter the conventional military superiority of their adversary. These drones have been deployed in various roles, proving their versatility and effectiveness across different combat scenarios. One of the primary uses of FPV drones has been in reconnaissance and intelligence gathering. Their small size and maneuverability allow them to penetrate enemy lines undetected, providing valuable real-time information about enemy positions, movements, and fortifications. This intelligence is crucial for planning operations and coordinating attacks. FPV drones have also been highly effective in targeting enemy armor and vehicles. Their speed and agility allow them to approach tanks and armored personnel carriers from vulnerable angles, delivering explosive payloads that can disable or destroy these heavily armored targets. Moreover, FPV drones have been used to disrupt enemy logistics and supply lines. They can target supply convoys, ammunition depots, and fuel trucks, hindering the enemy's ability to sustain their operations. This disruption can have a significant impact on the battlefield, weakening enemy morale and limiting their combat effectiveness. The strategic deployment of FPV drones by Ukrainian forces demonstrates their understanding of the changing nature of warfare. By embracing these agile and adaptable platforms, they have been able to level the playing field against a larger, more conventionally equipped adversary. Section 5. Advantages and drawbacks. The two sides of FPV drone warfare. The use of FPV drones in warfare offers a range of advantages, but it also presents certain challenges and limitations. Understanding both sides of this equation is crucial for comprehending the impact of this technology on the battlefield. One of the primary advantages of FPV drones is their affordability. Compared to traditional military aircraft or even larger military drones, FPV drones are significantly cheaper to produce and operate. This accessibility allows for their deployment in larger numbers, overwhelming enemy defenses through sheer volume. Their small size and maneuverability provide a significant tactical advantage. FPV drones are difficult to detect and track, especially in cluttered environments. Their agility allows them to evade enemy fire and approach targets from unexpected angles. The real-time situational awareness provided by the FPV system is another key advantage. The pilot's immersive view from the drone's perspective allows for precise maneuvering, target acquisition, and engagement. This significantly enhances the accuracy and effectiveness of attacks. However, FPV drones also have limitations. Their limited range and flight time can restrict their operational radius. They are also susceptible to electronic warfare countermeasures, which can disrupt their communication links and render them inoperable. Furthermore, the ethical implications of using FPV drones in warfare are still being debated. The immersive nature of the FPV system and the ease of use of these drones raise concerns about the potential for their misuse and the psychological impact on operators. Despite these challenges, the advantages offered by FPV drones in warfare are undeniable. Their affordability, agility, and precision make them a valuable asset on the modern battlefield, and their impact is likely to grow in the future. Section 6. The road ahead, anticipating the future of FPV drones in warfare. The conflict in Ukraine has provided a glimpse into the future of warfare, where FPV drones and other small unmanned systems play an increasingly prominent role. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see further developments in FPV drone capabilities and their integration into military doctrines. One area of potential advancement is the development of more sophisticated autonomous capabilities. While currently primarily controlled by human operators, future FPV drones could be equipped with artificial intelligence that allows them to operate more autonomously, performing tasks such as reconnaissance, target identification, and even engaging targets without direct human intervention. Another area of development is the integration of FPV drones into networked warfare systems. Future battlefields are likely to be characterized by a high degree of connectivity with various sensors, platforms and weapons systems sharing information in real time. FPV drones could play a crucial role in these networks, providing real-time intelligence, relaying communications and acting as nodes in a distributed sensor network. We can also anticipate the development of countermeasures specifically designed to neutralize the threat posed by FPV drones. Electronic warfare systems, directed energy weapons, and even trained birds of prey are being explored as potential countermeasures to disrupt, disable, or destroy these agile platforms. The future of FPV drones in warfare is likely to be characterized by a constant cycle of innovation and counter-innovation. As technology advances, we can expect to see the emergence of new capabilities, tactics, and countermeasures shaping the nature of conflict in the 21st century.